So, today we are going to discuss about the equal amplitude and equal phase. Okay, equal phase. So, we have already discussed the maxima direction of equal amplitude and equal phase. Now, we are going to discuss the minima direction. Okay, the minima direction. What is minima? Where does minima occur? The minima occurs when cos beta d cos theta by 2 equal to 0. Okay, the minima occurs when the cos value equal to 0. So when this cos value is equal to 0, what will be this term? Beta d cos theta by 2. That term will be plus or minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay, it is an odd multiple of pi by 2 because cos value is 0. Okay, cos value 0 means it is an odd multiple of pi by 2. So, where n equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. So, when n equal to 0, we are taking here only the value of n equal to 0. So, when n equal to 0, beta d cos theta by 2. Substitute here n equal to 0. 2 into 0 plus 1, 1 into pi by 2. Pi by 2. Okay. So, plus or minus pi by 2 is got. So, what is d? We assume d as lambda by 2. We assume d as lambda by 2. Therefore, what is beta d cos theta by 2? Beta d cos theta by 2 equal to beta is what? 2 pi by lambda. D is assumed as what? Lambda by 2 into cos theta by 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled, lambda, lambda gets cancelled. So what is the final equation? Pi by 2 cos theta. Okay, pi by 2 cos theta. So pi by 2 cos theta equal to what? Pi by 2 cos theta equal to plus or minus pi by 2. Okay. So, cos theta equal to what? This pi by 2 gets cancelled and gets plus or minus 1. So, theta equal to what? Cos inverse plus or minus 1 equal to what? Cos inverse plus or minus 1 is what? Plus 1 is what? 0. Minus 1 is what? 180 degree. Okay. So, this is the equation. So, half power points. Okay. Next one is half power points. So, here we discussed about minima. So, we already discussed about maxima direction. Here we discussed about minima direction. Then we are discussing about half power points. What are half power points? Half power points I have already discussed with you. Where do we get these half power points? When it is plus or minus 1 by root 2. Okay. 3 dB point. Okay. 3 dB point. Okay. So cos pi by 2 cos theta equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. Okay, this pi by 2 cos theta we got through this solving. Beta t cos theta by 2 we got solving by as pi by 2 cos theta. So pi by 2 cos theta equal to what? Plus or minus root 2. So pi by 2 cos theta equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 4. It is 45 degree. Okay. Plus or minus 1 by root 2, it is pi by 4. So n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So pi by 2 cos theta equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 4. So what is cos theta then? Pi by 2 cos theta. Pi by 2 cos theta equal to n we substitute 0. So we get pi by 4 plus or minus pi by 4. So cos theta equal to pi by 2, pi by 4 gets cancelled. So 1 by 2 remaining. So plus or minus 1 by 2. So cos theta equal to plus or minus 1 by 2 means what? Theta equal to 60 degree and 120 degree. So this is the equations. So next one is named as donut shaped diagram. Okay, donut shaped diagram. So that is nothing but radiation intensity. Okay, donut. It is exactly what? A donut shaped. Okay. So it is also termed as what? Figure of 8. Figure of 8. It is 8 shaped. So figure of 8 or donut shaped. Okay. So this is in the y-axis. Okay. This radiation pattern is in the y-axis. It is bidirectional. Okay. It is bidirectional. So these are the half power points. These are the half power points. And these are the maximas, theta max, and this is what? Theta minimum. These are what? Half power points. So this is nothing but the radiation pattern. The radiation pattern is what? Bidirectional. This is the simplest type. So this is the simplest type of broadside array. So this is nothing but broadside array. So the first case is what? Equal amplitude and equal phase. That is nothing but the case of broadside array. So broadside array is also known as what? Broadside couplet. Okay, broadside couplet. Broadside array is also known as broadside couplet. So this is the diagram. Okay, so these are half power points, and this is theta minimum, these are theta max, and these are bidirectional in nature. So figure of 8 or donut shaped. Okay, so the diagram is termed as figure of 8 or donut shaped. So next case 2, end fire case. Okay, end fire case. So what is end fire? It has unequal phase. Okay, unequal phase. End fire case, case 2, end fire case. So it is, since the point source 1 is out of phase to point source 2. Okay, so here this is point source 1, this is point source 2. So these are out of phase. Okay, these are out of phase. So when there is a maximum here, what will be there in source 2? These are out of phase, I told you. So when there is a maximum here, there will be a minima at the second source. Okay. So since the point source 1 is out of phase with point source 2, when there is a maxima at point source 1, there will be a corresponding minima at point source 2. Okay, at the same instant. So here, what is the equation of the field? The field equation you already studied. What is E? E equal to minus E1. Okay, minus in the sense this is out of phase. Okay, e raised to minus j psi by 2 plus e2 e raised to j psi by 2. Since they are having equal amplitude, so we assume that these 2 point sources are having equal amplitude. So E1 equal to E2 equal to what? E0. Okay. So E is equal to what? Minus E0. E raised to minus j psi by 2 plus E0 e raised to j psi by 2. So we take E0 outside. So we get E0 equal to E is equal to E0 into e raised to j psi by 2 minus e raised to minus j psi by 2. Okay. So what is this? E raised to j psi by 2 minus e raised to minus j psi by 2. That equation e raised to theta minus e raised to j theta minus e raised to minus j theta. That we get as 2j sine theta. Okay, so it is nothing but 2j sine psi by 2. Okay, so we get 2j e naught sine psi by 2. 2j e naught sine psi by 2. So amplitude must be maximum when we normalize this E or this electric field. Okay. So amplitude must be maximum means what? 2j E naught. This is amplitude. Okay. So this is amplitude must be maximum. So 2j E naught is what? Must be maximum. Okay. So 2j E naught maximum means when we normalize, what is the equation? E naught sine psi by 2. So 2j E naught, 2j we neglect, 2j E naught we take it as 1. Okay, 2j E naught we take it as 1 because maximum amplitude. So we take it as 1. Okay, so E norm equal to sine psi by 2. E norm equal to sine psi by 2. So psi by 2 what we got? Sine pi by 2 cos theta. So psi by 2 we got pi by 2 cos theta. Psi by 2 means what? Psi means what? Beta d cos theta by 2. Okay, psi by 2. Beta d cos theta by 2. Beta is what? 2 pi by lambda into d is what? Lambda by 2 into cos theta by 2. So lambda cancel, 2 cancel, pi by 2 cos theta. So sin pi by 2 cos theta. Okay, sin pi by 2 cos theta. So normalized means what? Normalized means the amplitude is taken as maximum or 1. Here 2j E naught is the amplitude and it is taken as 1. 2j E naught is a constant term. It is taken as 1 for what? Maximum amplitude. Maximum amplitude. So now we are discussing about maxima direction, minima direction and half power points. As in the previous case. Okay, maxima, minima, and half So, beta d cos theta by 2 equal to plus or minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So, n equal to what? 0, 1, 2, etc. So, when we are taking n equal to 0. So, beta d cos theta by 2 is equal to what? Beta d cos theta by 2 equal to pi by 2. Okay. So, n equal to 0. So, beta d cos theta by 2 equal to pi by 2. Beta d cos theta by 2 equal to pi by 2. So, beta d cos theta by 2 equal to pi by 2 means what? Cos this principal maxima, okay, pi by 2 cos theta by 2 equal to pi by 2 cos theta equal to pi by 2. So cos theta equal to what? Plus or minus 1. Okay. So theta max is what? Theta max is 0 degree and 180 degree. Cos 0 is 1 and cos minus 1 is cos 180 degree is minus 1. Okay. So this is theta max. Next is minima. Minima is sin beta d cos theta by 2 equal to, minima means what? 0. Okay, so maxima plus or minus 1, minima 0. So what? Beta d cos theta by 2 equal to what? N pi. Okay, n pi cos theta equal to what? Cos theta equal to 0 because what? We substitute n equal to 0 means cos theta equal to 0. Okay. So theta minimum is what? Theta minimum is equal to 90 degree. Cos theta 0 means cos 90 is 0 and cos 2 is 0. So next is how half power points So plus or minus 2n plus 1 pi by 4. So cos theta equal to what? Plus or minus 1 by 2. So theta equal to what? 60 degree and 120 degree. Okay. Theta equal to 60 degree and 120 degree. So it half power point. You you please understand the previous case because it is same. Because cos pi by 4 and sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Okay. So in the previous case you study, similarly this case will come. So what here the pattern, radiation pattern is on the x-axis. Okay, radiation pattern is on the x-axis. Here theta minimum, here half power points, here theta maximum. Okay, theta maximum, half power points. So here at the center theta minimum, here at the ends theta maximum, here in the middle theta half power points. So attendance, roll number 1,
Present, miss.
roll number 1, roll number 2, roll number 3,
Present, miss.
roll number 4,
Present, miss.
roll number 5,
Present, miss.
roll number 6, roll number 7,
Present, miss.
7, roll number 8,
Present, miss.
roll number 9,
Present, miss.
roll number 10,
Present, miss.
roll number 11, 11, roll number 12, roll number 12, roll number 13,
Present, miss.
roll number 14,
Present, miss.
roll number 15, roll number 16, roll number 17,
Present, miss.
roll number 18, 18, 18, 19, roll number 19, 19 absent. Roll number 20,
Present, miss.
20.
Present, miss.
Okay. So absent is 6, 11, 12, 18 and 19. Okay.